Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the beach.
Hey, do you enjoy spending time at the beach?
Absolutely. There's something magical about the sea breeze.
I agree. Do you prefer sunbathing or water activities?
I love both. Sunbathing is relaxing, but water activities are so much fun.
True. What's your favorite beach activity?
I enjoy beach volleyball. It's a great way to stay active.
Nice choice. I like taking long walks along the shoreline.
That sounds peaceful. Do you have any beach traditions?
I always build sand castles. It's like tapping into my inner kid.
That's cute. I usually bring a good book to read.
Reading by the beach is so calming. Any favorite beach reads?
I love a good mystery or adventure novel. What about you?
I enjoy light romance novels. They feel perfect for the beach.
Romance novels have that beach vibe. Do you collect seashells?
Yes, I have a little seashell collection at home. How about you?
I do too. They make for lovely beach souvenirs. Any favorite beach snacks?
I always bring fruit slices and a refreshing drink. You?
I go for some classic beach snacks, popcorn and ice cream.
Yum! What's your favorite beach memory?
Probably the sunset picnics with friends. How about you?
I cherish the day I learned to surf. It was exhilarating.
That sounds amazing. Beach days are the best, aren't they?
Absolutely. Nothing beats the feeling of sand between your toes.
So true. Let's plan another beach day soon.
Count me in. Looking forward to it.
Vocabulary: beach, sea, sunbathing, volleyball, shoreline, mystery, adventure, novels, vibe, collect, seashells, souvenirs, snacks, fruit, ice cream, sunset, picnics, surf, exhilarating, sand. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.